Hey everyone, Greg from BuySellAds here. I wanted to create a quick screencast on how to create a basic zone in BuySellAds Pro. So let's get started. Click the little plus icon to the right of inventory. This is going to be an ad zone on a website and just our standard image only template. Go ahead and click next. All right, now you have some settings to fill in. We'll call this test leaderboard zone. Okay, again, website or medium is website, template. All these options are going to be relatively straightforward for you guys. Ad size is obviously the size of the ad, so we said leaderboard, so let's go ahead and pick 728 by 90. Where is it going to appear on the page? Let's go and say this is the top center leaderboard. We want to go ahead and have this show up in the marketplace. This is going to be a CPM zone. We're going to give it a rate of $1. And we're going to say somebody has to purchase at least 10,000 impressions here. And we're going to show one ad at a time. All right, variable pricing is a more advanced feature. It's very powerful, but I'll go into that later. So now we have all these settings filled in. That's pretty much all you have to do to create a new zone in Pro. And again, if you don't want your zone, if your property is already approved for the marketplace and you don't want it to show in the marketplace, just go ahead and select Do Not Show in the Marketplace. And now let's go ahead and save that. Takes a second to think. All right, so now we should have our new zone here listed on, this is our all zones settings page. And let's scroll down here, and there it is, test zone leaderboard. So if you ever need to edit it, you can go in here. Well, this is the dashboard where you can see impressions and what ads are trafficked in the zone. Obviously, we don't have anything set up yet. But if you needed to actually edit the zone, you can go back down here, click the little settings icon, and you're back, and you can edit your zone settings. Like for example, let's go ahead and change this. I want it to show in the marketplace now. Save it. This usually takes a little bit longer because it has to do some additional logic. Okay, there we go. Now the next step is getting your ad tags for this zone. So we created this. There's a couple ways to do this. First, you can click this little icon right here, and that brings you to the ad tags. Now this step 1 ad tag only goes one time on the page, usually in the head section of the site, but really the most important piece is it only goes on one time. And then this goes where you actually want your ad to appear. This would be considered your ad tag. Okay, and you can quickly jump between different ads. You can see that the step 1 code does not change, but this the step 2 code does. So the ad tag is different for each zone that you've created. All right, so you would copy this on your website and you'd copy this where you want the ad to appear. And that's pretty much it. The other way to get to the ad tags would be via the inventory tab. You can see, well, we already were there. So we go back to the ad tags here. But if you're on the zone details page, so if you click the inventory tab on the sidebar, go to test leaderboard zone, and now on the top right you'll see ad tags. And that'll take you right to the ad tags for that particular zone. So that's it. That's how you create a basic ad zone in BuySellAds Pro. Your next step would be to traffic ads into those zones. We'll cover that in another screencast.